Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll share my analysis on the weekly chart. You may have a question in your mind, why is it important? Why am I sharing the weekly chart analysis? Okay, well, the answer is many times we see that once we click on the buy order, our price starts going down. Or if we click on the sell order, our price starts going up and we end up in loss. Okay, and this happens all the time because we are not aware of the bigger picture. Okay, well, we all know it very well that retail traders like us do not run the market. The direction of the market is decided by the big players, the big boys like the banks, hedge funds. And to know their demand and supply zones, we must be aware of the bigger picture or the picture of the higher time frame. Okay, so in this video, I'll analyze the chart on weekly time frame, and from today onwards, whenever you trade, just keep in mind that apart from our usual 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 50 minutes time frame, there is a bigger time frame also, okay, where the big players play or where the big players trade, and this is the time frame or in higher time frames, there are certain demand and supply zones that we should not mess with. Okay. So hopefully you have understood why I'm sharing the analysis of weekly time frame. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay, so let's get started. Let me take out the pencil. So we can see that market is trading here. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and we have the chart of OTCAT from 2016 onwards. Okay, here's 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 5 years chart. Okay, so we can see that since 16, market is not in an uptrend, not in a downtrend also. Okay, market is kinda in a range. Okay, since 2016 onward, market is in a range, and we can see that this is the resistance for the market. Okay, topmost resistance also we can say, and that is 1.0247, and the next resistance for the market is 1.000. This is the first resistance for the market. So market is trading here right now. So in a couple of months or after a couple of weeks, if market starts going up, okay, if market starts going up, then you know it very well that at 1.000 market has got resistance, because these things are not visible on the 4 hours time frame or 1 hour time frame. These are only visible on the higher time frame. So once market starts going up, and market will be near the 1.000 level, then you know it from now onwards that yes, market has resistance and I should not buy at 1.000 because market may reverse from there. Okay, so this is the main purpose of sharing this analysis. Okay, so on the other hand, market has the immediate support on the weekly time frame at 0.9235. So if market starts coming down to this level, okay, 0.9235 level, then there is a possibility that market will reverse from there. The market may bounce up on. So on 19th October, in the month of October, the market bounced from this level. So there is a possibility that this level will act as support. And if market starts falling, okay, if you see that market is a fall or market is crashing, then market may reverse from 0.9235. Okay. And in case market crosses this level, 0.9235, then just keep in mind that market has the next support at 0.8060 level. This level is quite far away from the first support. This is the support 2 and this is the support 1. There is a huge gap. Okay. But market was in downtrend and market took support at this level and market went up. So this level should act as a support for the market. As of now, market is trading here. So if market goes up, then 1.000 will act as a resistance, and if market goes down, then 0.9235 will act as a support. So whether you're trading in 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, doesn't matter, but just keep in mind whenever you will be trading in OTCAT, just keep your eyes open whenever market will be near these points. Okay. And once market crosses this point, if market crosses this level 1.0000 level, then you need to be cautious around the resistance 2 level, this level 1.0247. So these are the points, these are the four key points for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, and you can see that market is in a range right now. Okay, and this particular currency pair was out of the range for from July 2019 to June 2020. For 1 year, it was trading like crazy, but before that, it was in a range, and right now, again, it is trading in a range. Okay. So, these are the four price levels that you need to keep your eyes on. So, this is it. Hopefully, you have understood. And then, if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I do analysis of 10 11 currency pairs on daily basis, and I share so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe.